The Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa, Comesa, is a regional economic community formed to promote economic integration and development among its member states through trade and investment. Comesa was established in 1994, replacing the earlier Preferential Trade Area, PTA. Its headquarters are located in Lusaka, Zambia. The organization comprises 21 African countries, including Kenya, Uganda, Ethiopia, Egypt, Zambia, Rwanda, Zimbabwe, Burundi, Sudan, and Malawi, among others. The core goal of Comesa is to create a large economic and trading unit that is capable of overcoming trade barriers and promoting sustained economic growth. Comesa has played a major role in the economic development of its member states in several ways. 1. Expansion of regional trade. Comesa has significantly expanded trade among member states by reducing non-tariff barriers such as import and export quotas. This has allowed for freer movement of goods and services, boosting regional commerce and enhancing economic growth within the region. 2. Provision of a wider market. The organization has created a wider and more harmonized market for both internal and external trade. This large market provides opportunities for businesses in member states to scale up production and benefit from economies of scale, improving their competitiveness. 3. Rational use of natural resources. Through cooperation, Comesa has enabled member countries to exploit their natural resources more rationally. Countries are encouraged to specialize in producing goods and services they are best suited for, leading to efficient allocation of resources across the region. 4. Harmonized financial policies. Comesa has developed harmonized monetary, banking, and financial policies, which have contributed to stability in the financial systems of member countries. This has fostered a favorable environment for investment and trade. 5. Improved transport and communication. The organization has adopted various measures to improve transport and communication systems within the region. This facilitates the smooth movement of goods, services, and people, reducing costs and enhancing efficiency in trade. 6. Promotion of industrial development. The common market has stimulated greater industrial productivity by creating a large consumer base. This has encouraged industrial expansion, competitiveness, and the growth of local industries in member states. 7. Job creation. Comesa has led to the creation of employment opportunities across the region. As industries expand and trade increases, more people have been absorbed into the labor force, improving living standards. 8. Customs cooperation and integration. The organization has enhanced customs cooperation by introducing a unified and computerized customs network across member states. This has simplified and sped up the clearance of goods at borders, promoting smoother trade flows.